Are you trying to land a web development job in 2025 but feel overwhelmed by everything you need to learn? Don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact skills you need and show you step by step how to go from beginner to hired. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about what companies are actually looking for in 2025. You need to know the basics: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. How to build responsive, mobile-first websites. And accessibility, that's becoming standard. Then, you'll want to learn frameworks like React.js, or maybe Vue or Angular. Also, TypeScript. If you're serious about modern development, TypeScript is a must. And don't forget Git and GitHub for version control. These are essential for collaboration. Cloud services are also crucial. Understanding AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud can set you apart. Finally, DevOps practices like CI/CD and automated testing are becoming indispensable. If you're going full stack, you'll want some backend skills too. Start with Node.js and Express, or learn Django with Python or FastAPI. Know how to build and consume REST APIs or GraphQL and connect to databases like PostgreSQL, MongoDB, or MySQL. For tools, modern devs use Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and deploy with Vercel, Netlify, or GitHub Actions. And yes, learning some cloud basics like AWS or Firebase gives you bonus points. Tools like Docker and Kubernetes are also essential for modern development. And don't forget version control with Git and GitHub. Tech skills are half the game. Employers also look for problem-solving, communication, especially if you're working remotely, and the ability to learn quickly and work in a team. Adaptability, creativity, and leadership are key. Master these and you're way ahead of the crowd. Okay, let's talk about how to actually get hired. First, make sure your resume is up to date and tailored to the job you want. Next, practice coding challenges and technical interviews to sharpen your skills. Finally, network with industry professionals and apply to multiple positions to increase your chances. Step 1. Learn the skills. Use free resources like FreeCodeCamp, Scrimba, or the Odin Project. Follow a roadmap front-end, then back-end, and finally, work on projects. Practice consistently and join coding communities for support. Step 2. Build real projects. Aim for at least 3 to 5 solid projects. Need ideas? Try a blog, an e-commerce site, a dashboard, a portfolio site, a social media app, or a task manager. Host them on Vercel, Netlify, or GitHub pages. Step 3. Create a portfolio website. Make sure to include an About Me section, live project links, your GitHub and resume, and of course, your contact info. Highlight your skills and experience and keep the design clean and professional. Step 4. Start applying. Use job boards like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Wellfound. Tailor your resume to each job, highlight relevant skills and projects, and start applying once you've got a few projects. Your network can land you a job faster than your resume. Be active on LinkedIn and GitHub. Join dev communities on Discord, Reddit, or Dev. Share what you're building. Even tweeting your projects helps. Attend meetups and tech workshops to expand your network. And finally, practice interviews. Use LeetCode or HackerRank for coding challenges. Prepare to talk through your code and explain your logic. Mock interviews help you stay calm and clear. Practice with friends or mentors to get feedback and improve. If you follow these steps, you can land a web dev job in 2025, even without a CS degree. If you want me to make a full learning roadmap or a video on portfolio project ideas, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more dev tips every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned for more content to help you achieve your career goals. In this chapter, we'll dive into advanced web development skills that can set you apart in 2025. As the industry evolves, mastering advanced JavaScript patterns will become crucial. Understanding and applying performance optimization techniques will ensure your websites run smoothly and efficiently, even under heavy traffic. And with security threats constantly evolving, knowing the latest security best practices will make you an invaluable asset to any team. Stay ahead of the curve by continually learning and adapting these advanced skills. Remember, the tech world never stands still, and neither should you. Contributing to open-source projects is a great way to gain experience and build your portfolio. In this chapter, we'll discuss how to find projects to contribute to, how to make meaningful contributions, and the benefits of open-source involvement. First, let's talk about finding the right projects. Websites like GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket host millions of open-source projects. Look for repositories that align with your skills and interests. Pay attention to the project's activity level and community engagement to ensure it's a vibrant and supportive environment. Once you've found a project, start by reading the documentation and understanding the code base. Look for issues tagged with labels like Good First Issue or Beginner Friendly. These are perfect starting points for newcomers. When making contributions, focus on quality over quantity. Write clean, well-documented code and be respectful of the project's coding standards and guidelines. Engage with the community by participating in discussions, attending virtual meetups, and providing feedback on other contributors' work. The benefits of contributing to open source are immense. You'll gain hands-on experience, improve your coding skills, and build a strong portfolio that showcases your expertise. Additionally, you'll expand your professional network and increase your visibility in the tech community. Remember, open source is all about collaboration and continuous learning, so dive in, contribute meaningfully, and watch your career soar. Personal branding is crucial in today's job market. In this chapter, we'll cover how to build a strong personal brand, including tips on creating a professional online presence, networking, and showcasing your work. First, let's talk about creating a professional online presence. Start by optimizing your LinkedIn profile. Make sure your profile picture is professional, your headline is compelling, and your summary highlights your skills and achievements. Don't forget to list your relevant experiences and projects and ask for recommendations from colleagues and mentors. Next, consider building a personal website or blog. This is a great way to showcase your projects, share your knowledge through articles, and demonstrate your expertise. Include a portfolio section with detailed case studies of your work, and make sure to keep it updated with your latest projects. Networking is another key aspect of personal branding. Attend industry events, join online communities, and participate in discussions on social media platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn. Don't be afraid to reach out to professionals in your field for informational interviews or mentorship opportunities. Building relationships with others in the industry can lead to valuable connections and job opportunities. Finally, don't forget to showcase your work. Share your projects on platforms like GitHub, Behance, or Dribbble, depending on your field. Participate in hackathons, coding challenges, or design contests to gain visibility and demonstrate your skills. The more you put your work out there, the more likely you are to attract the attention of potential employers or clients. Building a strong personal brand takes time and effort, but it's an investment that can pay off significantly in your career. By creating a professional online presence, networking effectively, and showcasing your work, you'll set yourself apart in the competitive job market. The tech industry is always evolving, so continuous learning is essential. In this chapter, we'll discuss strategies for staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies, including recommended resources and learning platforms. First, subscribe to industry newsletters and blogs. Websites like TechCrunch, Smashing Magazine, and CSS Tricks provide regular updates on the latest developments in web development. Reading these can help you stay informed about new tools, frameworks, and best practices. Next, consider enrolling in online courses. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Pluralsight offer a wide range of courses on various web development topics. These courses are often updated to reflect the latest industry trends, ensuring that you're learning relevant skills. Another great way to stay current is by participating in online communities. Join forums like Stack Overflow, Reddit's web development subreddits, or specialized Slack groups. Engaging in discussions with other developers can provide valuable insights and help you learn from their experiences. Don't overlook the power of social media. Follow industry leaders and influencers on Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Many experts share their thoughts on the latest trends and technologies, and you can gain a lot of knowledge by following their updates. Lastly, attend webinars, conferences, and meetups. These events are excellent opportunities to learn about new trends directly from experts in the field. Plus, they provide a chance to network with other professionals and exchange ideas. By leveraging these resources and strategies, you'll be well equipped to stay ahead in the ever-changing tech landscape. Continuous learning not only keeps your skills sharp, but also demonstrates your commitment to growth and innovation to potential employers. Keep pushing yourself to learn and grow, and you'll find that staying up to date with industry trends becomes a rewarding part of your professional journey.